Hello and welcome. In my YouTube channel, most of the time I present you with small red light therapy devices you can use at home. But in this video, I would like to present you the ultimate red light therapy experience, which in my opinion you can have when you use red light therapy bed. So what is red light therapy bed? Where you can experience it? And what is so special about it? Let's talk about it in this video. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but I'm affiliated with Mito Red Light, so if you decided to purchase any of their products using my affiliate link down below, it will be at no extra cost to you, and it will help support this channel. I really appreciate it. But actually, because I'm affiliated with them, I can offer you a discount code, so you can get their lights even cheaper. I think it's a win-win for everyone. So red light therapy bed is the bed designed for full body treatment, when basically you lie down in this device and it surrounds you with a lot of therapeutic light. And I'm pretty sure you know about something like this, which is like tanning beds. So this is similar idea, but of course, instead of tanning lights or tanning lamps, this one has got LEDs, which are specifically designed to shine this therapeutic light of a specific wavelengths to help you with your improving your skin, your muscles, your joints, and generally help you feel better and look better. So in this video, I would like to show you one of those devices, and this is Mito Red Light Bed. This device is designed to be used in spas, gyms, tanning facilities, but also in private homes if you can fit it in your home, if you have a large enough space and of course good enough budget to get it for yourself and your family. That also can be used in private homes. So red light therapy bed from Mito is customized for your needs or the needs of the facility, whoever is ordering it. So most of people can experience a red light therapy session in this kind of bed in their nearest spa, gym, or other facility which offer this kind of therapy. And if your gym doesn't offer red light therapy yet, show them this video. Maybe they will consider using it for their clients. It's a good business for them, and of course benefits all people who use this facility. So what is so special in using this bed in comparison with other red light therapy devices? In my opinion, that's just this luxury, convenience, and customization. Luxury because you can lie down, relax. This bed contains speakers so you can listen to your favorite music. It has customizable wavelengths, so you can choose which wavelengths you use and how strong they need to be. And when you are too hot during the session, you even have a fan to cool you down. And you can operate it by yourself because there is a control panel inside the bed, but also a staff member can operate it for you from outside of the bed using a special wireless tablet provided with this device. As I mentioned before, the light therapy bed is specifically made for every client, so you can choose how many wavelengths you want. You can have up to 4 different wavelengths from the selection of 5, and you have a choice of 2 red light wavelengths, 633 nanometers and 660 nanometers, or near infrared 810 nanometers, 850 and 940 nanometers. So it depends what is your specialty, what are your therapeutic goals, or where is this bed, what kind of facility is this bed in. So for instance, for gym, when people want to focus on improving performance of muscles and joints, the optimal choice of wavelengths would be 633 and 660 with red spectrum, and with near infrared it will be 810 nanometers and 850. because the recent research shows that 810 nanometers, it is near infrared light, it's very beneficial for sports performance and muscle recovery. This is why Mito has chosen the same selection of wavelengths for their professional Mito Perform therapy lights. But if you visit a spa or maybe well-being center or a facility which is focused mostly on wellness and beauty therapy, then perhaps they will have a different selection of wavelengths more suitable for improving their skin, which will be 633 and 660 in red spectrum and 850 and 940 nanometers for the near infrared spectrum, because 940 wavelength is specifically very beneficial for our skin health and recovering from sunburns. So one of the greatest things of using this kind of bed is that it saves you time, because when you go into the session, the whole body is enveloped with light. So you've got the light therapy from your top of the head to the tip of your toes, and you are basically immersed in very strong therapeutic light. It saves you time, because usually people at home, they have light panels hanging on the wall. This is like the most typical use. And of course, when you have light panel on the wall, you do the therapy from one side, and then you need to turn around and you do the session on the other side, which means you need twice as much time for the session. And it depends. If you have small panels, you even have to move it up and down, so it will make even time for therapy longer. But with this kind of light bed, you lie down in the bed, set up timer. 10 minutes is plenty for one session, and it's recommended time, and the whole body receives during this 10-minute session all the light it can absorb and use to improve your skin and internal organs and muscles and joints. So if you are interested in experiencing luxury red light therapy for your whole body, then definitely check out with your local gym, spa or tanning salon. If they don't have this equipment yet, show them this video. They may be interested in getting it, because it's very good for their business. And if you happen to have enough space in your room and money in your budget to get this kind of equipment for yourself and your family in your home, then check out the link in the video description below for more information. And if you are interested in more affordable red light therapy devices you can use at home for yourself and your family, check out my website for more information about what lights I use, what lights I recommend, and more discount codes, so you can get your lights in more affordable prices and whole family can benefit from red light therapy at home. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from this information. Check out my website for more information about red light therapy, how I use it, what lights I recommend, and more discount codes. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.